1A. Standard form. Standard form is the biggest degree to the smallest. So, for example, 6x and 2 degrees at 7x and 9x 4 degrees at x 3 degrees. The biggest degrees was 9x 4 degrees, so we need to move it to the front first. Then we find the degrees was big but less than 9x 4 degrees. That was x 3 degrees, then 6x 2 degrees, then 7x. And 7x was the smaller one because x is equal to x 1 degree. So this is the answer of the example. And so next time we just find like if I find the degree, then order the degree of the number. The biggest is on the front and the smallest was at the last. Okay, part 1B was monomials. And for the example is x degrees 2 at y. So how we write is, where is the degrees? Have degrees 1 to 4. Degrees 1 called minus degrees 2 called 4 to 2. Degree 3 called cubic. Degree 4 called quadratic. Things 1 and the things is how many numbers in this formula. So in this formula we have 2, like this one, binomial. So if this only have 1 number in the formula, it will be the binomial. And if this, like the example have 2, it was binomial. And if it has 3 in the formula, it's trinomial. So this one has degrees 2. How we use the degree was the degrees of the first number. So x degrees 2, we find the degrees 2 called 1. And then we find how many numbers in the formula. We have 2 numbers, so 3. So this was the answer of the example. And this is how you do the monomials. Okay, this one's 1C, degree. Degrees mean the small number on the whole numbers like this one. That's the degree. So 4 2 degrees times 5 7 degrees. The extent was 2 and 7. So the sum was 9. So the degree of this one was 9. Next one, 5x. So x is equal to x 1 degree, but we don't need to write the 1 out. So the exponent is 1. So the degree of this one is 1. The next one, 4. The degree of a non-zero constant is 0. It didn't have any degrees on it. And it didn't have the x or y numbers. So it didn't have any degree. So the degree of this one is 0. So this was all about the degrees. Just adding, I remember x is equal to x 1 degree. Like if there have just only a whole number that has no degrees. Okay, this one is part 2. A. Complete like units. So, this one is just put the same degrees number together. Like this one, x 2 degrees and 3x 2 degrees, they have the same degree. So we put it together. It will be 4x 2 degrees. And then add this one 1 3 degrees and this one negative 5 1 3 degrees have the same degree. So we put it together too. But this one is negative. And 1 3 degrees is equal to 1 1 3 degrees. So it will be negative 4 y 3 degrees. Okay, this one was the answer, but if the degrees was bigger, I thought we need to write it maybe on the it will be this. But if you don't write it to this one will still be the correct answer. So this was both was the answer of this example. Okay, this one is part 2b, adding of polynomial. So how do you do this? First, you need to do the same number put together. Then get the answer. Remember to change the order. Okay, we will do the example. X degrees 2. We need to find the same degrees to add together. So the same degrees was 6x degrees 2. And add together will be 7x degrees 2. And then with degree 3, y degree 3, we will add 3y degree 3. It will be 4y degree 3. The last one, negative 7y at 8y. It will equals y. Okay. When we get the answer of it, we need to change the order. How to change it, I talked about before. Use standard form to change it. From the biggest from the biggest degrees to the smallest. So the biggest degrees was 4y3, then 7x 2 degrees, and the last one is y. Y is equal to y 1 degrees. Okay, so this one was the answer of this example. Okay, part 2c, subtraction of polynomial. It was very similar to B. Adding of polynomial. The steps was about the same. First, same number put together, then get the answer. Last, remember to change the order. Okay, this is an example of subtraction of polynomial. First, you need to find the same degrees, and then you need to subtract it. So it will be 2x negative 2x, then it will be positive 3y minus negative 7 will be negative 4y, and then ay2, then here. So did you see the negative and the negative? It will be the positive. So it will be the positive 4 at the last. And then you need to remember to change the order. So the same, you need to write the biggest degrees at the front. So the biggest degrees in this one was 812 degrees. Then this 2 was the same degrees because x is equals x degrees 1 and y is equal y degrees 1 too. So it's never mind where you put this 2 at. Then the next one was this one. This was the last one because it had no degrees. It don't have any degrees in it, so the degrees of 4 is 0. So this one was the answer of subtraction of partly flowing.
Hi, today I'm gonna teach you. Yay! Okay, now I'm gonna teach you distribution. Okay, example, distribution example. 6 parentheses 6 multiply 7 like this. It's really easy. 6 times 6 equals 36 and
42.
42 and then added together equals 78. This is an example. Really easy. Yes. Okay. Next one. Next one is multiplying two binomials. Really easy. Similar with the last one, like 7 and 6, like this. Really easy, you see? Okay. 6 first like this and then this. Okay? This. Okay. Yeah. Okay. 6 times 6 equals 6 times 6 equals what?
36.
6 times 6 equals 36. 7 times 6 equals 42. And 7 times 6 equals 42. Okay, so the equation will be 36 plus 42 plus 36 plus 42 equals let me see. 42 plus 42 equals 100. Come on. 56.
Final
Oh, God. 156. Final answer. Yes. And the next one. Now I'm gonna teach you the binomial and trinomial. The binomial trinomial.
N-O-M-I-A-L.
And binomial is 2 terms. And trinomial is 3 terms. For example, like 2x, 2. Here is 2. Here is 2. Here is a square.
2 degrees.
So 2 degrees. So this is a 2 term.
No. So 2 term is like x plus y have 2. So it's
Oh.
okay.
Okay.
Degrees.
Yeah, so that's wrong. Okay, 2x plus y. So there's 2 this, so this is 2 term. And this plus y plus xy. And this is 1, 2, 3 terms. Okay, this is still. Okay, the next one is finding greatest common factor. This is very easy. For example, like 6, 7, 6, 6, 3, 6 is 3 plus x plus 9x. So the greatest common factor is 3. So you can like this, and like 3 equals 6 divided by 3 equals 2x plus 1. X plus 3x. Like really easy. Okay. The next one is factoring quadratics. And the factoring quadratics is the formula is x square plus 5x plus 6. This is an example. Yeah. So now I'm gonna do this is an example. Now I'm gonna do this for you. Like what x plus x what something times something equals 6. The something plus something needs to be equals to 5. So 3 times 2 equals 6, and 3 plus 2 equals to 5. So this is this. So you can like do 2 like this, and five 3x plus 2x. Yeah.
The answer will be like this.
The answer will be like this. Okay. So special cases are the formula for special cases are the example for special cases are a plus 2ab plus 9ab, and yeah, this is an example. Yes, and then like this equals to 4x squared plus 24x
Plus 9
plus 9
equal to
plus 9 equal to
2x plus 3.
x plus 3.
And
2 degrees. Okay, this will be the answer, final answer. Yes. See if 2 numbers are perfect square. Then see if the number square roots times 2 will equal the middle number. If it does, then the answer will be the root at the first term plus the root of the third term. Factoring by grouping. This is pretty easy. For example, this is similar like the factoring quadratic. So it's like example 0 plus 2 minus 3 plus Okay, so like this first this times this equals 12. So something plus something plus times something need to equal 12, and something plus something needs to be 30. And then the answer will be 6. Oh, 24. Oh, 24. So something plus times something.
You need to change this one to 24.
Okay. So what is the answer?
12.
12. Okay, 12. So you can write it.
Wait, 12 plus 12 is not equal to 30. This one is 24, right?
Yeah, so what?
No, you write it wrong. This one is 24. Something times something will equal to 24.
Oh yeah. No. 24 needs 2 times 6.
Oh.
Okay, something times something needs to be equals 144. Okay, like this is an example because it needs a lot of time to figure out the answer, so I just don't figure out the answer. So like the answer will looks like something 2 square
The x.
x plus y, x plus y, and then the answer will be like this. Okay, final answer. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.